Hi everyone. In today's quick session, we're showing you how to create an album gallery viewer screen using the Ionic Design Kit, perfect for apps focused on visuals. This is a go-to tool for designers and developers who want to work efficiently. On the left, we're working with code using guidance from the Ionic docs. In the middle, you'll see the layout created with the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right, a phone emulator displays our code in action. Today we're highlighting the album gallery screen, an essential feature for media and photography apps. It provides users with a smooth way to view and organize their photos. With the Ionic Design Kit, adding this feature to your app is easy. This toolkit, powered by the Ionic framework, offers a range of ready-to-use elements that simplify both design and development. Take your time to soak in all the details. Feel free to pause whenever you need to. For code snippets and a deeper dive, check out our website. Thanks for tuning in. Explore the Ionic Design Kit for simple designs and a smooth development process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.